In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach files in Google Docs. While Google Docs doesn't include a traditional email style attachment button, you can get the same result by uploading your file to Google Drive and linking it inside your document. I'll guide you through the process so it's clear and easy. Start by opening your document in Google Docs. Next, upload the file you want to attach to Google Drive. In the menu, click File, choose Open, then Upload. Drag and drop your file from your computer. This could be a Word document, a PDF, a spreadsheet, or an image. If you prefer, you can upload it directly in Google Drive first. The goal is simply to get the file into Drive. Wait for the upload to finish. When it's done, the file will open in a new tab, confirming the upload worked. Now make the file shareable. In that new tab, click the Share button in the top right corner. By default, many files are set to restricted, which means only you or specific people can access them. Change that to anyone with the link if you plan to share broadly. Then choose the right permission level: viewer for read-only access, commenter for feedback without edits, or editor for full collaboration. Pick the least permissive option that still lets others do what they need, especially if the file contains sensitive information. Click Copy Link to place the shareable URL on your clipboard. Head back to your Google Docs document. Highlight the text where you want the link, something descriptive like "download the full report." Click the Insert Link icon in the toolbar, paste the link you just copied, and click Apply. Using clear, descriptive link text keeps your document cleaner than pasting a long URL. Give the link a quick test. Click it and confirm that it opens the attached file in a new tab with the correct access. If you land on a Request Access page, go back to the Share settings and adjust them, and that's it. Since Google Docs doesn't directly attach files, linking through Google Drive is a clean, reliable way to share supporting materials. If you're working with a team, you might also leave a short note near the link explaining what's inside, so people know what to expect. And remember, you can update the sharing permission or swap in a new file link later without rewriting your document. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical Google Docs tips and tutorials.